Hello everyone, my name is Shane, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the Samsung 3-in-1 wireless charger. This just came out a couple days ago. I'll have links to it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. The retail price is $150. However, I've already seen some comments of some people saying they got it for less, so it's worth checking out one way or another. This is the first magnetic wireless charging stand I've ever seen from Samsung. We have Qi 2 certification. Let's go ahead and see what we get in the box. Inside the box, have some paperwork. We have a 45-watt charging brick in the box, and of course the charger itself. So let's go ahead, check out the star of the show here, 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. First impressions straight out of the packaging have a metal stand here and a plastic base coming in at 445 grams, so a heavier feeling on the top with the metal and then a lighter feel on the bottom with the base. We do have some rubber grip feet on the bottom, so this keeps a good spot on the table. On the back, we have our Type-C connection there. On the bottom, we have a LED indicator light and the spot to put your earbuds or Galaxy Ring. So now let's go ahead, turn it on, plug it in. So we have our light indicators there on the bottom. Now let's go ahead and charge some things up. Now, of course, have to mention with the magnetic option for charging your phone, there are no magnetic rings built into any Samsung phone at the time of this video. So if you're going to charge any Samsung phone with this, you're going to need a case with a magnetic ring built in. So now that I have this case on, we can go ahead and connect this. So you can see I'm already getting my charge. And as far as the connection on this seems to be very sturdy, shaking the whole entire system here, and it's not coming off. So I'd say we have a very good connection on this with the phone on it. And this is a really nice experience initially here. You have a lot of adjustability with your phone, so you can have this propped up on the charger at your desk. Go ahead and turn it landscape if you need to. There's a lot of adjustability as far as twisting the phone. And then of course also your angle options here. So you can have it pretty much straight up and down level here at the lowest setting. And then as far as the highest setting, I'm standing here filming this video and it's facing me pretty well. I'm definitely liking having the phone on here. Just keep in mind you have to have a case to go with this for it to work. So now testing this with one other case, my Pitaka case here. This also has a very good connection. Still have the good adjustability. And as far as your charging speeds on this, you're going to get Samsung's 15-watt fast wireless charging. So you see here, fast wireless charge started. And in my personal testing, the fastest I've been able to get my S25 Ultra from 0 to 100 on a Qi 2 certified wireless charger is around 1 hour and 40 minutes. So that is what you can expect as far as charging times with this stand. Now, as far as charging up some other devices, let's go ahead and throw on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Got our charging notification there. Looks like this also has a pretty good connection here. So again, if you would bump this or shift it or something while a bunch of stuff is on it, it's going to have a good enough magnetic connection. There's no adjustability on the watch side. So you can see here the phone, I can really face it straight up and down, whereas a bit of a higher angle all the time on the watch. Then also take my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. As soon as I put those on, I have the charging light indicators down here. So you can see everything is charging at the same time, charging on the phone here, the light on the buds, charging here on the watch going up now. So with this having a 45-watt power adapter, I think it's safe to say you're going to continue to get your fast 15-watt wireless charge from your phone, even if you have other stuff connected. So you can see here, fast wireless charging, so definitely good here. Now there is no magnetic option on the bottom here, but there is a little indented plus icon here for you to put it in the best spot. You can also use this bottom portion to charge the Galaxy Ring case. So this is a really nice option to keep this case charged up at all times. People might ask, so I'll show you cannot charge the Galaxy Buds on the watch portion of this. And as far as the Galaxy Ring case as well, you're not going to be able to just put that up there either. It's going to be strictly for the watches. And this may be self-explanatory, but no Apple Watches or anything here. You're not going to get a clean connection with the magnet here. But as far as phones, if you have a phone with MagSafe in it, you can go ahead, just pop that right on here. You can see I'm going ahead and getting a charge. So overall, this setup is really for those who have a Samsung watch and need that Samsung charger here. But overall, first impressions of the Samsung 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, I'm very happy that Samsung has an option for this now. This is a first of its kind that I've seen having a magnetic wireless charging stand. A lot of their wireless chargers are just these long plates that sit on the table, whereas it's nice to actually have an option now from Samsung where I can stand up my phone, still look at this at my desk, and then also having a wireless charging stand for the watch is also also so nice, instead of just dealing with an extra cable with that puck on it, just having a permanent solution in my house to just drop all this stuff on at a moment's notice. I think this is especially useful for just throwing on the Galaxy Ring charging case, so the case is always charged up. You never have to worry about that when going to put this ring back into it every day. I'm going to be using and testing this more for an upcoming accessories video for the S25 Ultra, so stay tuned if you want to hear more about it. Again, I'll have links in the description if you want to check this out for yourself. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.